Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get this face tracking feature on Roblox mobile. So you can get this on Roblox mobile, you don't need any PC. So to start with the process guys, just make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, like the video, and let's start the videos. And face tracking is an amazing feature. You can see that it sync completely with my voice and no lag, and it's working completely fine on the mobile. So let's come out of the game mobile game and let's start with the process. Come out of this game. First of all, you have to basically tap on the three dot, and now you have to go to settings. In settings we need to go to privacy, and to get the face tracking on Roblox mobile guys, you have to scroll down and there is an option called microphone input, where you have to enable this option. So you just need to tap on this toggle button to enable it. Once it is enabled, so the red dot indicates that the Roblox is recording the audio. Fine. So once you enable, and if you don't see this option guys, first of all you have to verify your age, and when you verify your age it will ask you for the valid government ID, and it will ask you to take selfie as well, and you have to take a clear selfie. Once you take the selfie, and once you once you done with the verification, this option will appear automatically in your privacy. And so in my location guys, there is one more option. It is not showing here, but due to the location, but without that option my face is still tracking. So that option basically says that animate your face with your with your camera. So this option is not appearing still. The face tracking is working on my Roblox mobile. So you can see if your location has this option will appear definitely after verifying your age. And once you're done with this, now one more thing you have to do with it. What is that? You have to tap on this avatar icon, tap on it, and tap on customize. In customize you have to go to head and body, and in head and body you have to choose this style. So in style basically we usually have a animated face, so you just need to select one of them. So you have to choose the dynamic one that looks better. So you can see that my face is animating with eyes is blinking, but my mouth is not saying any word, because it will sync with your voice. So to do that you have to enable the microphone input from the privacy, and to enable it you have to verify your age. So once you choose this good looks, once you enable this, you can search for it. I can give you the link of this item. So just download this and or just get this. It is free of cost, and you can get the more amazing animated face like this, but it is come with some price tags, Robux. So you have to spend some Robux for that. So I will refer you, if you don't have a Robux, just go with this. It is completely free. And once you choose guys, now all the setup has been done. You just need to open any game that supports microphone and camera in communication. So let's search for any game. Like I'm gonna open a new game, so let's open this Please Donate. So whenever you open any game, you just need to find if the communication supports microphone or camera. If it is support, then your face tracking will work. So just tap on play button too. So once you open the game guys, So my recorder is showing the notice that since you are using the microphone in game itself, you can't record the voice. So I have to voice over in the video editor. So now let's find the view to get the uh, perfect result of for face tracking. So let me sit on it and zoom it. Yeah, now you can see that it will start syncing with my voice, and that's amazing thing. So
Hello.
hope you like it, guys, and you can see that my avatar face being syncing with my voice, and my face cam also there on the top. If you want to know, uh, if you want to get the more detail about this face cam, you can watch my previous video on that, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more latest content or for more update of about the roblox. Please subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.